This is your CBSLA.com news brief.
Hello and welcome to your CBSLA.com news brief. I'm Rick Garcia. An Amber Alert has been issued for 4 missing children hours after a woman's body was found in the trunk of the family car. The woman is believed to be the children's mother, Erica Perez. Police believe the husband took the children and ran off. Police say Perez was last seen driving a black 2014 Toyota Camry. Anyone with information is urged to contact the Montebello Police Department. A major gang bust in East LA this morning. 25 suspected gang members are behind bars, and police are searching for 5 others. Hundreds of local and federal agents swarmed Boyle Heights for Operation Resident Evil. A group of lost dogs has been found. They were at a home in Paris in Riverside County. Animal Control impounded 12 dogs. 2 poodles found at the home belonged to a woman 30 minutes away. Birdman topped the Golden Globe nominations this morning. It got 7 nods, including Best Picture in the comedy or musical category. Boyhood and Imitation Game had 5 apiece. For the latest on these stories and your news any time of day, stay with CBSLA.com.
Getting a look at your 7-day microclimate forecast right here. You'll see temperatures in the 60s, chance of rain continuing as we head to tomorrow. Best chance overnight into early tomorrow. Severe storms possible, meaning thunderstorms a possibility. Water spouts drier by the weekend. Next chance of rain next week.
That's your CBSLA.com news brief. Remember, we're always on. Click Listen Live on our webpage to hear KNX News Radio and our other stations live anywhere you are.